Today we shall learn about this command, the codebook command in Stata. We shall be looking at how this codebook command is used in Stata, and we shall start by looking at the purpose of this command, the codebook command. We shall be looking at how this command is used. So we are saying it provides comprehensive metadata about one or more variables. So it gives comprehensive information. It gives comprehensive metadata regarding the different variables that you are evaluating using Stata. And it also helps you understand the structure, the distribution, and the characteristics of your dataset or the characteristics of your variable. So what the general information that you get when you are using this command is that it gives you the variable type. You will be able to know the variable type. It may be whether it is a string or a numeric variable. It tells you the variable label, how the variable is labeled, the descriptive statistics. It gives you the descriptive statistics such as minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation. It also tells you about the value distribution, and also in case there is missing values or missing data, then you'll be able to see when you are running that particular command. So now we go to Stata and we see how this command is actually always run. So we come here to File to import the dataset. Let us use the example dataset that is installed in Stata. So we come here to example dataset installed with Stata. You click on it. Then there are different datasets. So let us use the first one, the auto dataset. You click use, and then the data is automatically fed into Stata. When you check on your right, you can see on the variables window there the data has already been stored. We have the name of different variables. We have make, price, all the way up to foreign, and then we have the variables. So having installed the data, so we can browse that data so that we can be able to see how it is stored. So you can see the first row shows the variable names, price, MPG, all the way up to foreign. And then you can also scroll down and you see that we have 74, a sample size of 74. So maybe you'd like to codebook different variables here so that you can be able to see the different information of that particular variable. One interesting thing is that you see this price is coded as a numeric variable. You can see values that are given here are numeric. But when we come to the last variable, foreign, it is coded in one. You can see domestic, and then we have foreign. So it is actually a binary variable where it is coded as either domestic or foreign. So maybe we could use, or we could run this codebook command using price and foreign, and then we could compare the results. So we go back to Stata and then we write our command codebook, and then we put the variable name price, and then we have received the output of the command. And you can see for this price, the variable that we are evaluating is called price, and then the type, you can see it has been written that is a numeric variable, and then the range, it ranges, those values ranges from 3291 to 15906. It has 74 unique values, and then out of these 74 unique values, there are no missing values. 0 out of 74 are missing. And then the mean we have been given there, the standard deviation, and then the percentiles, 10th, 25th, 50, 75, and 90 percentiles. And then you can see all that information there that has been given. Let us run the codebook. Let us codebook the other variable foreign, which was coded as a binary variable, and then we see the results. So these are the results. These are the results for codebooking foreign. Remember, this one is a binary variable. So the name of the variable is foreign, and the variable is car type. So the car type is either foreign or domestic. So you can see the type is numeric in form of byte. It is labeled as origin 0 and 1. So you can see it is a binary variable. It is either coded as 0 or 1, and there are two unique values, only two. And out of these two, there are 0 missing values. And then you can see the tabulation. So you can see it has been labeled as either domestic or foreign, and domestic is coded as 0, where foreign is coded as 1. And then the frequency for domestic is 52, and the frequency for foreign is 22. So you can see the difference between the two. You can see this one, you have been given the frequencies because it is a binary variable. But when you come in the case of price, you have been given the percentiles because it is a numeric variable. The values have been given in form of numeric values. So that is how you run the codebook command and the results that you get. Remember, we said that when you run this command, it gives you the structure, the distribution, and the characteristics such as variable type, variable label, descriptive statistics, value distribution, and missing data. We have already seen all these values when learning this command in Stata. Thank you.